Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe something that surprised you and made you happy. You should say what it was, who did this, how you found out about it and what you did, and explain why it surprised you and made you happy. One of the most unforgettable surprises I've experienced was when my closest friend organized a surprise birthday party for me. I was completely caught off guard and had no idea that anyone was planning anything like this. Typically, I prefer simple birthday celebrations, usually just enjoying time with family or having a small gathering with a few close friends. Nevertheless, that particular year, my best friend chose to make it especially memorable by putting together a grand surprise party. What made it even more meaningful was that everyone who was important to me participated, and they all collaborated to keep it a surprise from me. My closest friend, along with several other dear friends and family members, orchestrated the entire event. They had been busy for weeks, organizing the venue, decorations, food, and even a personalized birthday cake featuring my favorite flavors. Everyone involved executed their roles so well that I had no clue what was happening behind the scenes. My friend even pretended to forget my birthday, which left me feeling a bit let down. Unbeknownst to me, she was doing this intentionally to enhance the surprise. On my birthday, my friend mentioned that we would be going out for a simple dinner, just the two of us. I had no reason to suspect anything unusual since it sounded like a typical plan. However, when we arrived at the restaurant, she asked me to enter first while she took care of parking the car. As soon as I walked in, I was welcomed by a loud surprise from all my friends and family. The entire place was beautifully adorned with balloons, fairy lights, and banners displaying my name. I was so overwhelmed by the moment that I found myself speechless for a few seconds. I couldn't believe that so many people had gathered to celebrate my special day. I was genuinely amazed because I never thought my friends would go to such efforts to make me feel valued. It brought me immense joy to realize how much they cared about me. Their dedication, affection, and the time they put into organizing everything truly moved me. That evening, we shared laughs, danced, and savored delicious meals. I spent countless hours conversing with my loved ones, snapping photos, and creating wonderful memories. This experience not only made my birthday remarkable but also strengthened my relationships with my friends and family. It highlighted the significance of having people who sincerely care for you and wish to see you joyful. That day stands out as one of the happiest in my life, and I will treasure it always.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.